Good afternoon, student. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today I'll be taking your class on barn. Can anyone tell me what is barn? By your own knowledge, can anyone tell me what is barn? Can you hear me? Can anyone tell me what is barn? Anyone? Yes or no? I heard that this class was already taken by your ma'am. Okay. Is the screen visible? Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. When you heard about barns, what comes first in your mind? Anyone?
Ma'am, Jolie Jua.
Yes, yes, very good. Other? What about other?
Same, ma'am. জুই লগা মানে গাত বা কিবা এনেকুৱা হোৱা তেলৰ পৰা হওক বা যেনেকুৱা হওক
Okay, okay. Good, good. That means you have idea about barn, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Let us start. As we all know that barn means injury. And what does the term burn means? It is the burning sensation that is associated with injury. That burning might be because of injury, and these are characterized by several skin damage. If burn occur in our body, and if there is burn in our body, then what happens is that our skin is affected, and sometimes our skin is affected, and that causes death of the skin. And most people, what happened in burn, most of people, they recovered without serious consequences, depending on the cause and degree of injury. But there are also some emergency medical care to prevent this complication and death. That means burn can be serious, and it can also lead to various serious complications. So early treatment is very much important in case of burn. Now, talking about the various degree of burn, we have various type of burn and various degree of burn, and it is divided into. Let us first discuss about the definition. That is, which is being given by WHO, that is World Health Organization. This is the definition. You need to by heart this, and you can't make up this definition as it is given by World Health Organization. So let us read. It is an injury to the skin or other organic tissue primarily caused by heat or due to radiation, which means that burn, what is burn? It is an injury to the skin. In our skin, if there is any injury to the skin, then that particular term is known as burn. And this is caused due to radiation. It may be radiation, radioactivity, electricity. There might be electric burn, friction, or contact with chemicals. Maybe because of chemicals, there can be a burn. And skin injuries due to what? Due to ultraviolet radiation, radioactivity, electricity, or chemical, as well as respiratory damage resulting from smoke inhalation are also considered to be burn. And this is the definition of burn, which is given by World Health Organization. You need to memorize this, and this is very much important. And now let us discuss about the degree of burn. Can anyone tell me what is first degree burn? As you have already got the notes, can anyone tell me what is first degree burn? Anyone? Veronica. Who is Veronica? Can you tell me what is first degree burn? Anyone? What is first degree burn? I heard that this class was already taken by your ma'am. You don't know what is first degree burn? Anyone?
মেম অলপমান যে পুৰি যায় মেম স্কিনটো অলপ red হৈ যায় মেম সেইটো হয়
Correct. Very good. Now let me explain what is first degree burn. First degree burn means there is damage to the skin, but there is only a little damage, and the damage is not deep. It is superficial burn. Superficial means only the upper part, means only the superficial skin is burned. That is known as first degree burn. That means the burn that takes place is not deep, and these affect the outermost layer of the skin. And how you will come to know that this is a first degree burn? What are the signs that you can know that this is the first degree burn? First of all, if there is a redness, if you see that in your skin there is a redness, minor inflammation, means I hope you know the difference of minor and major. Minor inflammation or swelling, and if there is pain or dry peeling skin occur as the burn hint, and these are the signs that you can see in the first degree burn. And what happened in first degree burn is that it affect only the top layer of the skin, and this the sign and symptom will disappear once the skin shell is shed. And the advantage about this first degree burn is that after it heal, the skin after it heal, scarring is rarely seen, and it disappear within 7 to 10 days. And if the burn is still if the burn affect a large area of the skin, and or if then like large area of the skin means more than 3 inches, then you should consult the doctor, or you should talk with the doctor regarding your this first degree burn. And this the large area of the skin that is more than 3 inches, but it is mainly seen in knee, ankle, foot, spine, shoulder, elbow, forearm. And there are also some way how you can treat this first degree burn at your home. That means there are some home care remedies which you can follow and give treatment to yourself at your home place. So let me discuss about what are the treatments that you can take at, by yourself, or simply it is called home care. First, soak the wound in cool water for 5 minutes or longer. That means that particular wound, that particular burn, you need to soak in the cool water just for 5 minutes, or else you can also soak it for longer time. And if required, you can also take some medication from the doctor, which should be prescribed by the doctor. You can also take acetaminophen or ibuprofen. Why this acetaminophen or ibuprofen is mainly taken? It is taken for to relieve the pain. This analgesis. It is mainly taken to relieve the pain. And apart from this, you can also apply this lignocaine. It is an anesthetic with aloe vera gel or cream to soothing the skin. If you want to soothing the skin, then you can apply this particular gel. And using an antibiotic ointment and loose gauze to protect the affected area. That particular where that burning sensation that takes place, that is the first degree burn. In that particular part, what happens is that if you want to protect from any infection, then you can also put some antibiotic ointment with the help of loose gauze piece in order to protect it. And one very important things about first degree burn is that make sure that you don't use ice. And what happens is that if you use ice, this will make the damage of that particular injury worsen. Means that damage will be more worse if you apply ice pack. And also cotton ball. I hope you know what is cotton. And that cotton ball also, it is very much it should be restricted for this prevention of this prevention of burn. So do not apply cotton ball. Why you don't need to apply this cotton ball? Because there are small fibers can stick to that injury. If you apply that cotton ball directly into that infected area, then the small fibers from the cotton ball will stick into that injury, and this will in return increases the risk of infection. So you should not apply all these disperses. You do not apply ice as well as cotton ball, as this increases the risk of infection. And also there are some home remedies like butter and egg, as these are not proven to be effective. All these should be avoided. Those are the first degree burn. Did you understand what is first degree burn?
Yes, ma'am.
First degree burn, you should know. This is very much important. Again, I am repeating, it is the damage that occur very superficial. Only the superficial part is burn. And I already told you about the symptoms, signs and symptoms, that there will be redness, inflammation, dry, peeling skin. All this will occur. And if the burn is affected by the large area of the skin, that is 3 inches, then in which part it used to occur? I already told: knee, ankle, foot, all this. Try to by heart all this. And then I already told you all about the home remedies, that if in your home, if among your family members, if anyone is suffering from burn, or if any suffering means if anyone by mistakenly got burned, then these are the home remedies that you can follow. You can also apply among your to your parents. Soaking cool water for 5 minutes, all these, what are the tablets, what are the pain relief, what gel you need to apply, what antibiotic you need to apply, all this. And what what you should not apply, like I already told: ice, cotton ball, all these. Do not all these are the things you need to study in first degree burn. Shall I move to second degree burn? Shall I move to second degree burn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Second degree burn. Can anyone tell me what is second degree burn? First degree burn was very easy, only superficial, only the upper part of our skin is burned. And what about in second degree burn? What is second degree burn?
Ma'am, it is a major problem. Then the first degree, it damaged the upper and the middle layer of upper layer, the skin and the muscle. It burned both the thing.
Okay, okay. Okay, second degree burn are more serious than first degree burn. Am I correct? Is the second degree burn more serious than first degree burn? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Why it is more serious than that of first degree burn? Because the damage will extend beyond the top layer of the skin. पहले क्या था फर्स्ट डिग्री बर्न में सिर्फ टॉप लेयर ऑफ द स्किन बर्न हुआ था, लेकिन सेकेंड डिग्री बर्न में यू कैन सी दैट बियॉन्ड टॉप लेयर ऑफ द टॉप लेयर का स्किन से जाके डीपली बर्न होता है. दिस टाइम ऑफ बर्न कॉजेस द स्किन to blister and become extremely red and sore. And some okay, second degree burn. Yes. Can anyone tell me what treatment or what remedies you can follow to treat this second degree burn? Can anyone tell me? अगर किसी का second degree burn हुआ तो how will you treat that person?
मैम फर्स्ट एड लगा के
हाँ
एंड
हाँ.
कॉल उसे मतलब किसी मेडिकल स्टोर या ऐसे में ले जाके उनका ट्रीटमेंट करा के.
उसका मतलब है कि फर्स्ट डिग्री बर्न में क्या हुआ था कि यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्रीट योर सेल्फ एट होम, लेकिन सेकेंड डिग्री में if the burn is severe then you might need to go to hospital. So what treatment for mild second degree burn? What are the treatment you need to follow for the second degree burn? First is running the skin under cool water for 15 minutes or longer. तो रनिंग वाटर में क्या करेगा वो वहां पे जिस जगह में बर्न हुआ वो वाटर से क्लीन करना है. तो पहली फर्स्ट डिग्री बर्न में फॉर हाउ मेनी मिनट्स वाटर से क्लीन करना था फर्स्ट डिग्री बर्न में ट्रीटमेंट में? soak the wound in cool water for 5 minutes or longer. फर्स्ट डिग्री में 5 मिनट्स और लॉन्गर था, तो यहाँ पे वो सेकेंड डिग्री बर्न में क्या है कि यू नीड टू कूल इट फॉर 15 मिनट्स और लॉन्गर. पहले फर्स्ट डिग्री बर्न में कैसा ट्रीटमेंट देगा, वहां पे कूल वाटर में 5 मिनट्स के लिए वो रखना था, 5 मिनट्स और लॉन्गर. लेकिन सेकेंड डिग्री में फॉर 15 मिनट्स और लॉन्गर. और taking over the counter pain medication. Over the counter pain medication mane means like you need to go to pharmacy and all or hospital OPD, ये सब जाके पूछना है कि क्या पेन रिलीफ करने के लिए क्या क्या मेडिकेशन खाना चाहिए, ये सब you need to follow. Or antibiotic cream, you need to put antibiotic cream to prevent from this infection. Or however, seek emergency medical treatment if the burn affect a wide such as agar if the burn is too much severe, it means like if the burn is too much severe, then any of the following, like severe means like agar ban चेहरे पे अगर बान हुआ, या फिर in hands, या फिर बटक, या फिर groin, या feet, face, hand, बटक, groin या feet पे अगर बान हुआ, then in all these cases this emergency medical treatment is required. इसलिए फटाफट like you need to take that particular patient to the hospital. And next is third degree burn. Third degree burn क्या है? This is the most damage extending through every layer of skin. हर skin का हर layer तक effect होता है. उस type of burn को बोलता है third degree burn. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you can you get the difference? What is first degree burn? What is second degree burn? What is third degree burn? और कैसा कैसा ट्रीटमेंट देना है, किस किस जगह में ज्यादा बर्न होने से हॉस्पिटल में लेके जाना है. सेकेंड डिग्री बर्न में अगर चेहरे पे या फिर हाथ पे या फिर बतख पे या फिर ग्रोइन या फीट पे वो अगर बर्न हुआ तो यू नीड टू गो टू हॉस्पिटल इमीडिएटली. इसीलिए उसको बोला जाता है इमरजेंसी मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट. और ये थर्ड डिग्री बर्न, ये क्या है? थर्ड डिग्री बर्न क्या है? जो पूरा हमारा जो स्किन का जो लेयर होते हैं ना, जो स्किन का लेयर, that is all the skin layer, every layer of the skin is affected. Or and then depending on the symptoms, third degree burn can exhibit include, depending on the cause, I mean the symptoms of third degree burn can exhibit include waxy and white color, char, dark brown color. इसका अगर किसी का थर्ड डिग्री बर्न हुआ तो उसका कैसा सिम्टम्स होगा? Waxy and white color, char, dark brown color, raised and leathery texture, blister that do not develop. Or without surgery, this wound heal with severe scarring and contracture. There is no set timeline for complete spontaneous healing for third degree burn. तो ये थर्ड डिग्री बर्न सबसे ज्यादा सीरियस बर्न है. Here only with the help of home remedies or home cares you cannot treat the patient. So emergency treatment as well as hospitalization is needed in order to treat the third degree burn patient. और अगर never attempt to self, अगर किसी का थर्ड डिग्री बर्न हुआ तो कभी भी खुद ट्रीटमेंट देने का कोशिश नहीं करना है. डायरेक्ट यू नीड टू कॉल फॉर मेडिकल हेल्प. डायरेक्ट एम्बुलेंस या फिर डायरेक्ट हॉस्पिटल पे ले जाना या फिर कॉल करना है कि अगर किसी का थर्ड डिग्री बर्न हुआ तो, क्योंकि ये बर्न सबसे ज्यादा रिस्की है. तो ये किसी का लाइफ ऑन द स्पॉट भी जा सकता है. इसीलिए यू नीड टू बी वेरी मच केयरफुल in dealing with the third degree burn patient. Don't get while you are waiting for medical treatment, raise the injury above your heart. Don't get undressed, but make sure no clothing is stuck to the burn. और जब मेडिकल हेल्प लोगी तब जब मेडिकल एम्बुलेंस या किसी को भी when you will call them the medical team, at that time while you will waiting for the medical team, you need to raise that particular injury part above your heart. You need to raise and then do not get undressed. वो patient का dress नहीं खोलना है. And then you should also make sure that no clothing should stuck to the burn. And there are some types of burn and its possible causes. The type of burn, like the burn might be dry burn, scalp, electrical burn, radiation burn, chemical burn, cold injury. ये सब burn का type है. ये dry burn, scalp, electrical burn. Remaining time is only 2 minutes. Can anyone tell me what is third degree burn? किसी को पता है थर्ड डिग्री बर्न क्या है और
Third
कैसा
degree
ट्रीटमेंट किया
burn.
जाता है? थर्ड डिग्री बर्न किसी का
Yes,
हुआ तो
ma'am.
खुद ट्रीट करोगी या फिर हॉस्पिटल पे ले जाओगी?
मैम हॉस्पिटल पे लेके जाएंगे.
हाँ, और खुद कभी भी थर्ड डिग्री बर्न किसी का हुआ तो कभी भी खुद ट्रीटमेंट नहीं देना है. अगर इमरजेंसी केस हुआ तो डायरेक्ट मेडिकल हेल्प लेना है. समझ में आया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. स्टडी नाइसली ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ बर्न्स, डिग्री ऑफ बर्न बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आज मैं यहाँ तक पढ़ाऊंगी और मैं कल कंटिन्यू करूंगी. Only 1 minute left. Okay. Oh. CR कौन है? अटेंडेंस ले लेना. सिर्फ 1 मिनट बाकी है. बर्नाली? सिर्फ 1 मिनट बाकी है. अटेंडेंस ले लेना.